Hi, welcome to Jamaican Cooking 101. Today we're making saltfish and chocho along with some dumpling, green bananas and yam. So I'm gonna prep the ingredients and we'll be right back. Stay tuned to Jamaican Cooking 101. Welcome back. So I have the ingredients here and let me tell you a little bit about chocho. Chocho is a fruit, but we use it as a vegetable. It most times doesn't have any taste. It is made up of a lot of water. We are going to be using ingredients like sweet pepper, onions, scallion, hot pepper, some garlic, and some thyme. We'll put some pimento and some black pepper in closer on to the end. So, as I was saying to you, chocho is so versatile. What I'm gonna be doing is cutting it up in dices. I've also cut up the seasoning. So I'm gonna put the chocho in a colander, just like you see it here, and put it over the water, the boiling water for the saltfish. So I find this to be a way of saving fuel, saving time, and at the same time the chocho takes on the flavor of the saltfish. So I'm just gonna drain off the liquid, set it aside, and then deal with the saltfish. Right, so you know how saltfish is done. You wash it off, take out the bones and flake it up. So here I have a heated pan and I'm adding some coconut oil to it, and then I am just going to saute my vegetables along with the saltfish. All right, so look here, this pan can look really hot. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna give it a good stir and remove it from the flame just for a minute or so to cool it down, because I don't want the vegetables to be burnt before they are thoroughly cooked through. While I'm allowing the pan to cool down a bit, I'm gonna add the flaked saltfish. Now you don't want to wash out all the salt out of the saltfish, so you might want to soak it overnight and then you just scald it off, or you can boil it, scald it off for 2 times and then rinse, remove the bones and flake. Alright, so here I have the mixture, and you could eat this just like it is, but we're adding the chocho. You could shred the chocho, slice it up thinly, or you could julienne, or even what I've done here to make dice. Alright, so now we're gonna allow this to cook through. I have some mixed vegetables here, and so I'm gonna be adding that. I have added some margarine. Mixed vegetables at about, say, 1 cup, right? And we are putting that on top because it's cooked already. Just need to kind of heat up and mix with the rest of the ingredients. So here I have everything mixed in nicely. I have some red sweet peppers to kind of bring it up, and I've added some black pepper, and now I'm adding some pimento. This is basically cooked and ready to serve up. In another pot, I cooked some green bananas, some dumpling and yellow yam. So this is gonna be an epic breakfast. Saltfish is versatile and so is chocho. Chocho can be used in so many different ways. Once you cover the pot, the chocho is going to do what we call spring water, right? You can see we didn't add any water, but because of the water content of the chocho, we have lots of moisture here. So I'm using a slotted spoon to remove some and serve it up on a platter, just so that you can see what it looks like. All right, and remember I said you could do the chocho, cook the chocho in different styles, whether it's julienne or shredded or however you want. So see what the breakfast look like here. All it want now is a slice of pear. So guys, this is a big, strong, hearty breakfast. All right, so you can try it. Thank you so much for watching, and remember to share, like and subscribe.